We've got halftime on pitch 1 and pitch 4. Just going to read off the next game schedule. At 11:30 on pitch 1, we'll have the men's team, Australia versus United States. The refs for that game will be from New Zealand, Sean Thompson, and from Iran, Sasan Magadis Yazdi. At 11:30 on pitch 2 will be men's team, Ireland against South Africa. The refs for that game will be from France, Nicholas Garby, and from Chinese Taipei, Wayne Hongyan. At 11:30 on pitch 3, we'll have another men's team, Portugal versus Russia. And the refs for that game will be from Great Britain, Curly Barker, and from Singapore, Raymond Liao.